to my channel. Today I'm creating some spring look makeup. So guys, in the UK already spring here and little bit sunny days and long days. I just love it, but it's not very cold, not very hot. So I'm creating today not very heavy makeup, very light base, very light eye makeup. So guys, I'm telling you step by step how you're going to create this look. So let's begin. So before you start the makeup, make sure you cleanse your skin. So first I'm using moisturizing Aloe with Arden Visible Difference Complex Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. So this moisturizing is give you little bit whitening effect. So always make sure you apply in the neck as well, because we're going to treat your face skin and neck skin is the same. Second, I'm using Aloe Sunscreen SPF 30 High Protection UVA and UVB. It is very important to apply the sunscreen lotion, because when you go out, your skin became very pigmentation very quickly. So very important to protect your skin from the sun. Then I'm applying the eye cream. This is the day eye cream, very light, to keep my eyes hydrating and help to reduce the fine lines and dullness. So I'm going to apply very small amount, not very big. Then I'm not going to rubbing, I'm just going to apply the dabbing way. Then I'm going to apply the Vaseline to keep my lips soft, smooth and plump. So guys, you can use any kind of Vaseline, lip balm or anything. So for my glowing skin, I'm using Revlon Skin Lights Face Glow Illuminator. So I'm just using my finger and tap. So I'm using very light amount, so you see the guys how beautiful skin come. So I'm not using under eyes, rest of face I'm using. This product is amazing. I'm always using this one, very nice. For correcting, I'm using Makeup Academy Pro Base Prime and Color Correcting. This is the peach tones, peach color, so accounting to my skin tone. If you got any black under eye circle, very black, or any black patches, you can use the orange. So only I'm using where I need it. So you can see little bit patchiness here. So I'm going to correct this one before applying the foundation. It is very important to do a color correction before you put any concealer or foundations. So make sure you use according to your skin tone, orange, or if you got any redness in your cheek, you can use the green color correcting, or peach color correcting, or orange color correcting, or red color correcting. So I'm using the beauty sponge to blend. Then just dab very smoothly, very gently. Today I'm using very lightweight Max Factor X Skin Luminizer Foundation. Very lightweight, give you natural look and glowing look. So I'm going to pump in there. Very little amount I'm going to use first. So I'm using my finger and I'm going to put very little amount first. Then I'm using same brush blend. You can use the beauty sponge as well to blend, but the brush is a quicker way. Don't forget to apply your neck as well. And for the corner of the nose, sometimes you can't apply, so I'm using very small flat brush, taking very small amount, then going to fill to make sure you equally apply all foundation in your face, even look. Then using same brush again and blend out equally. Next I'm doing my eyebrow. So I've got little comb, then I'm going to comb upward. Then I'm using the black eyebrow pen for Revolution. So I'm going to fill only the gap where I need it. I don't want to make very dramatic look. I'm making very natural look. So concealer, I'm using Marble Maybelline concealer. I'm going to apply under my eyes and where I need it, where I've got black patches or anything. So I'm going to apply very little amount, then I'm applying directly from the applicator. This is the stick. And in my eyelid as well. Little bit in my near the mouth where this black patches. Then I'm using same beauty sponge to blend. Then look upward. Then gently press down, very slow. Don't drag down, otherwise you wet all products. Apply the very little amount, don't apply too much, otherwise it's coming very thickness, and when you go out in the sunny day it will become crisp because it's a layer of the products. Then I'm going to use Rimmel Match Perfection loose powder to set or lock the concealer. Stop to bring crease under my eyes. And I'm going to apply where the T-zones where especially start to sweat. So I'm going to take beauty sponge first, dip very little amount. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes in depth way slowly. Upper eyelid as well. Make sure you're using the dry sponge. Very little amount I'm using because I don't want to look very powdery or anything like that. I'm taking another brush, very clean brush, taking little bit amount, then dust out extra amount. Then I'm going to apply in my T-zone, little bit, not too much. Then I'm using Rimmel London Natural Bronzer to bronze my face. Then apply little bit here to give very natural look. Always apply the upward, not the downward. Then blend out. Then I'm going to apply it in my forehead as well. And my jaw lines as well. Next I'm using the eyeshadow, very light color, natural skin color. So I'm creating natural look, not over dramatic look. Next I'm using the black eyeshadow and then going to apply very little amount outer corner of my eyes, because you can see my eyes is very small. I like to make my eyes a little bit bigger. Then going to blend out. I just want to keep very smooth look. Next I'm taking the eye pencil, then I'm going to apply in my waterline. Then I'm using blush today, Revolution blush palette. So guys, you can see I have got lots of color there. Peach and pink I'm going to mix together. Then I'm going to create the color, very light color. Then apply in my cheekbone. So guys, I'm not using any highlights or anything because this is the day look makeup in the sunny day. Next I'm using a KIKO lip liner. Lipstick I'm using today KIKO Malino liquid lipstick. This is beautiful pink color. Then I'm going to apply directly from the applicator. Then finally I'm going to use the mascara. So I'm just applying the mascara today. I'm not going to apply any false eyelashes or anything. So guys, this is the final look. Hopefully you guys like my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.